This looks like colored snow, but it's fruit drink mix. Here's how fresh fruit becomes a perfectly flowing powder.
It starts at receiving. Fruit arrives in bulk, gets staged, and moves straight onto the line.
A wash system removes field dust and residue. Water flow, spray pressure, and filtration do most of the work.
Cameras spot defects at speed. Air jets separate what's not right. Quality starts before the fruit is even cut.
Next comes prep, trimming, peeling, and de-seeding. Clean cuts keep bitterness out and flavor in.
The fruit is crushed into a smooth mash, turning solids into a pumpable puree for the next step. A controlled enzyme step helps break down structure, improving yield, smoothing texture, and making separation easier.
Now the line splits it. Juice becomes the flavor base, while fiber is removed or processed separately.
Filtration polishes the base, removing fine particles so the final powder dissolves smoothly.
Evaporation removes water under controlled heat, concentrating flavor so the powder tastes like real fruit. Each batch is standardized, so sweetness, acidity, and strength stay consistent from bag to bag. A pasteurization pass safeguards the base, short heat exposure, then rapid cooling to protect flavor.
To dry cleanly, the fruit base is blended with a carrier. This prevents stickiness and keeps the powder free-flowing.
Homogenization makes the feed uniform, so it atomizes evenly and dries into consistent particles.
This is the transformation. The liquid becomes a mist. Hot air dries it mid-flight, and it lands as powder. Cyclones capture what the dryer creates, separating powder from air without losing the finest particle.
Cooling and conditioning keep the powder stable. Too warm and it clumps, too moist and it won't flow.
Sieving sets the texture, lumps are removed, and particle size become consistent for easy mixing and dissolving.
Now the recipe comes together. Fruit powder blends with acids and minerals to balance taste and make it dissolve clean.
Agglomeration makes it instant. Fine powder becomes granules that sink and dissolve instead of floating.
Quality checks confirm flow and dissolving speed, because the best drink mix disappears into water, not into clumps.
Packaging is fast and precise. Measured fills, airtight seals, and a clean finish to lock in freshness.
From fresh fruit to shelf-stable powder, ready to ship, ready to stir, and ready to taste like fruit again.